Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy, guys. Very proud and excited to have Dr. Umang Patel with me today.
Thank you.
7H in PT was a bit of struggle. He's one of those students who was always happy, always enjoying the moment. Doesn't matter if he cleared the exam or not. And he used to uplift the environment of the lab. I remember. He recently moved to Canberra. Thanks a lot for coming and seeing us.
Thank you, sir.
Umang, initially you were struggling in speaking as well. This time 85 in speaking.
Yes.
A very good score. What
Thank
did
you.
you change which helped you to move from 60s to 85?
First of all, I would like to say thanks to the Language Academy and Varun sir, especially Priyanka ma'am. Really, they helped me a lot. I was struggling in the speaking when I was appearing for my first and the second try. The problem was my pronunciation. Then I worked very hard. Varun sir and Priyanka ma'am helped me a lot. They teach me a lot. Every day they were coming with new tips, new strategy, and I was trying to get. If he is getting, she is getting, why I'm not getting? If he is a sir, he is getting 9 band, I'm a student, why I can't get? So I tried how they reading the read aloud, especially read aloud is very important part in the speaking. Many people struggling in the reading. Main reason is behind that the contribution from the speaking read aloud towards the reading, read aloud, pronunciation very important.
That's right.
Then I would like to say in the retail lecture, first of all we have to listen the lecture very properly. Whenever speaker is speaking, we have to concentrate on the main keyword.
That's right.
We have to focus on main keyword.
That's
What student is doing? He is doing. Oh, nah. We have to focus on main keyword. Then and then only we can get marks in the listening.
That's right.
Then that's it pretty much for the speaking.
You're a bit emotional today.
No, I don't think so. Thank you.
Umang, you were struggling a bit in reading as well, but I remember whenever you used to miss by 2-3 points, you were always laughing, making jokes about it, right? What do you think you did personally for reading? Because a lot of students out there they struggle in reading. What did you do which helped you to get the score in reading?
I would like to say about the reading. As Varun sir said, you were struggling little bit, but I remember I was not struggling a little bit. I was struggling a big. Reading was a very toughest part for me, But what I did, every day Varun sir and Priyanka mom was telling me, oh, do 25 blanks, do 30 blanks, do 50. I was doing 100 blanks per day, but I don't know how I was doing. Sometime I got 5 out of 5, sometime I got 0 out of 5. So I don't know what was the basic. Then I was trying to mug up each and all blanks, and I was reliable on the repeating material. Oh, I will appear for next time. Sir, this time there were no any repeat blanks,
Yes,
and I
yes.
didn't get. And then I remember every time Varun sir say, every day I am telling you, don't repeat, don't reliable on the repeat material, but please try to understand the passage, try to understand the text, and if you will know what about the text is, definitely you will get correct answer. But unfortunately, I was not doing the same thing. Then suddenly I have to move from Sydney to Canberra for my PR purpose. I moved there. Then it was very hard for me because when I was here every day, each and every day, single day, I was coming to the lab from 10 a.m. to maybe 6 or 7 p.m. And then I went there. So I was thinking, oh, now impossible. I have to forget about the PT. I called Varun sir, I want to come there and want to do the lab session and everything. Then they say me, no need to do anything. Just you have to do reading. Just do online classes. We have online classes for the student who are out of Sydney or who cannot come at the Parramatta or Sydney CBD branch. Then I started the online class, and really it was very helpful. Grammar class, everything. Anything about the reading, very helpful. So only one thing I would like to say about the reading: please do not reliable on the repeated material. Might be come, might be not come, and please try to understand the context. Definitely, you will get the answer.
That's right.
That's it for reading.
That's right, guys. Very important that you focus on the context. Don't just rely on the repeated material because you may get something similar in the exam. You may not get something similar in the exam. So very important you understand the context, as Umang has pointed out. Umang, that was from your reading and speaking. Now you have practiced a lot on the portal. You have taken a lot of mock tests. How important are mock tests?
Mock test, really very important, very important. I remember I was giving every day one mock test, each and every day, at least minimum one task mock test. And I was sending my scorecard to the Varun sir. He was always ready to help me anytime. He was giving me the feedback. Oh, you did this mistake. You did this mistake. Then I focus on that mistake. Okay, sir. And then I would like to say about the portal, Language Academy online portal. How very important there, because if you don't have portal, from where you gonna do the practice? Each and every day you can't get all material, but in the portal, whenever you submit the answer, straight away you will get the feedback, you will get the marks, so you know where you standing, in which part you have to concentrate, in which part you have to focus more. I would like to say personally about me, if how I get each 7 within a very short time in online classes. Only and only mock test was helpful for me and the online portal. If you're giving everyday mock test, you will realize where you're standing, where you have to focus. Because what happened, we know once you have done the strategy classes, you know what to do in the PT. But we are not exactly sure when we have to apply the strategy, when we have to apply the templates. If you applying right templates at the right place with the right feedback, definitely you will get your desired score in maybe very first attempt.
That's right. Very important, guys. As Umang has pointed out, you need to make sure you understand the template. Don't just memorize them. Try to understand how you have to use them. Plus, you have to take mock test, see what feedback you are getting, and next day when you practice, you need to see if there's any improvement or not. Congratulations once again. All the
Thank you very much, boss.
Dr. Umang Patel.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And yeah, one more thing. I was required this score each for my registration of doctor, and now wherever I am only and only due to Language Academy, only and only Varun sir and Priyanka ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks for that, Umang.
Thank you.
That's it from this video, guys. Bit of funny guy, has very light-hearted, always enjoys the moment, and that is one thing I believe helped him to get the score. Because whenever you used to miss by 2-3 points, you were always laughing and enjoying about it, right? Yes, that's how you have to go on. That's it from this video, guys. I'll see you very soon. Make sure you keep on practicing and take everything in a positive manner. Thank you, guys. Varun from Language Academy.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.